Well, people, the second international break is over. What's next, Jamaica? What is next? Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, before we go any further, please drop a like on the video and subscribe right down there if you are brand new. Please subscribe. All right, it doesn't cost anything, completely economical. Just drop a subscribe. Do, do. Thank you very much. Ah, where do we begin? Where do we begin? Let's talk slightly about the reggae boys. We're gonna talk about Jamaica's games and what they have in store in the next set of games in the next round. They want us to game comfortably, but still there were worries. Worries in the back line, worries in the midfield. And even though we, gave away goals again, cheap goals, we're gonna talk about a few things that I saw, that I recognize in those games that we will have to fix when we go up against Canada in the Conference League. If we go past Canada, when we go up against USA, Mexico, whichever one we play again. Because what's going to happen when we play against Canada and when we play against USA and Mexico, they're going to have fast wingers, fast players down the middle and down the flanks. And we need to be able to recover when we go up and be effective when we defending. But first, let's talk about the positives. And what did we see when Jamaica played those last games? We saw Gray, lethal, absolutely lethal. Yes, he gave the ball away one, two times, but he is lethal when it comes to shooting. He is lethal when it comes to dribbling. He's on the left flank and that right foot, glory, absolute glory. So I give Gray two kudos on the games that he's been playing for Jamaica. Can he continue his run of form? I hope so. I think so. I think he has a brilliant partnership with Liam Bailey and with Mikel Antonio, and they switch around on a regular basis as well. It's absolutely wonderful just to watch them play. Leon Bailey is coming into himself, still not as much as I want him to. He's not effective as we want him to, but I guess he's coming into himself. He don't score a 7 goal, 8 goals in it for the national team. Freaking um Damri Gray is almost at 5 or 6 goals already, fam, and he's only played 5 or 6 games. So we need Liam Bailey to come into himself and start scoring more. But Damri Gray, big up your blood clot self, fam. Big up your bumble clot self. The next positive I'd like to portray is Antonio. Mikel Antonio, when he plays for Jamaica, he has that figure up front that brings people to him. He brings defender to him, which leaves spaces for other players. That's why Damari Gray is doing so well on the right flank. And that's why Liam Bailey can be so effective on the left flank as well. Because when he controls the ball, one player can't hold him. The other player have come, which leaves space in behind, run around, run behind, run to the side. There's always space when Leon Bale, when Mikel Antonio plays. He just needs to score. That man is so unlucky. Leon Bale another ball in front of the goal for him. And I don't know, last minute him kick a ball off fine foot, but my word. He's been good for Jamaica so far, holding up on the ball, playing the passes the way he should be playing it. I like the Mikel Antonio that we're seeing. Want a little bit more goals, but I like the Liam Bailey that we're definitely seeing. Not going to lie. Not going to lie. No. What will we see versus Canada in the next round? Quarterfinals. We'll see a backline fragile, timid. Labisca, timid on the right side. I can the little defender, little Grenada and Haiti run around them man so easily. What do you think Canada gonna do? What do you think Canada gonna do? Oh, a left back. What the fuck on him? Can't remember. He looks big, thick, ready for run around. Looks sloppy defending. He looks very sloppy defending. He looks good moving forward. He has a decent pass cutting inside. But what can he do defending? I am not seeing that just yet. I am definitely not seeing that just yet. And we need better. JFF, go link Everton. I don't have to call him name. You know who he is. I don't have to call him name. Go link Everton. The ballers at Everton. You know who they are. Everton Football Club. You know who they are. Go link them. There's a baller over there. Go link them. Pussy. And get your head out of your ass. Pussy. What will we see against Canada? Man, they say my man a yard or whatever one call himself. Damian Lowe. I think Damian Lowe will be the integral part of Jamaica's team versus Canada. I think he'll be integral in this team. And what I mean by that, if Damian Lowe plays, we will be in trouble. If Damian Lowe plays, we will be in trouble. Because, yes, he's a very good defender. But when he steps out of the defense line and then all he does, all the player has to do is just turn on him, make a pass and run, he is dead on his feet. He's quick coming back, yes. But when he misses, when he steps out of position, it's just one man there defending and that's the other defender. And he cannot, and Damian Lowe, when they play against Canada, USA, and Mexico, those mistakes he made against Haiti can't happen against Canada, Mexico, and USA. When the dribble go off of the field, right above the people, the top of the 18-yard box, instead of passing the ball, I don't know what you were doing. But then you're jogging, come back because you're tired as fuck. You're jogging, come back. You're taking time, jogging, come back. Everybody out of position because I'm for cover and cover for you. Why? Damian Lowe, JFF, Coach H, you need to find a different centre half pairing. Brentford and the Youth Family Championship, you know who they are. I don't have to tell their names. They can be a championship. They can be the centre half pairing that could hold it down. Because right now, that's not. Damian was not happening. I'm not afraid to tell you that. I'm not afraid to tell you people that Damian Lowe is definitely not happening. His positioning is weak. He's a very good defender, but his positioning is weak. Hear me out. He's a very good defender, but his positioning is weak. And when he steps out of the defense, there's no recovering in time. He has very good speed, yes. But his speed is not going to be enough, fam. Definitely not going to be enough. So what will we see in the next few games? 2 games in November. 2 of them versus Canada. First game probably in Jamaica, I'm not sure. But we need to win. We need to win both legs, not just one. And hopefully a draw. We need to win both games. Can we do that? I don't think so. I do not think so. We can put in a very good performance in the first leg and then just dead in the second leg. I don't like these leg things when it comes to quarterfinals. The Nations League, because I know these 2 legs, it's kill me. Definitely kill me. Why am I tell you? JFF, what are you doing? I'm not hearing the news about Mason Greenwood. I'm still waiting, fam. I am fucking still waiting. I don't know what Manchester United is doing when it comes to Mason Greenwood because them still have them problems with the Glazers, Sheikh Jashim and Jim Ratcliffe. Them say I go get eventually. But what is Manchester United? What is JFF doing to Mason Greenwood? Bring the man come play for Jamaica. Get him passport done. Bring the man come play for Jamaica. Yeah? I don't care if we go back to Manchester United. It's just done when it comes to Man U. I don't care. I just want him playing football. I want him scoring. And I want him playing. And he's continuing to play for Getafe. You need him to go and play for Jamaica. 1 or 2 friendly. Hurry it up, fam. Hurry the fuck up, fam. People, thank you guys for watching. This has been the 4th official. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe. Right down there if you're brand new. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.